Well, this is my Ragley Big 2020. It's an awesome beast, man. I'm still riding the stock RockShox Recon 140 mil travel. I have some wheels coming up. These are WTB Serras. Running Maxxis. I am gonna keep running Maxxis, the Minion, but with tandem and the new wheels. Got a bar on there, no proof. Got some grips coming up. I like this, but I want something to color match the bike. Some frame protection, courtesy of my wife. Stock brakes. Do have a dropper T-poster, 170 mil. ENW components, Reindeer 2. Very responsive. Not as responsive as my RockShox, but it's good nonetheless. Upgraded the cranks to Eagle NX 32 tooth. I was gonna go oval, but later on, the cranks that come with this bike are not that good. Stripped them the first week I had it. Box components, 11 speed, 11 to 50. Archer D1X trail. Very good, very good. These are some old Specialized pedals I used to run on my XC bike. I love these pedals. These are about 10 years old and they still smell like brand new. I'm guilty, never re-greased them. I lost a couple of studs already, but they still grip like a stick. As far as this bike, man, it's very comfortable, very good climber, very good on descents. I am planning on upgrading the fork. You're gonna get a helm or a Fox 36. That's coming up. Not right now. I have my Mbot build coming up. And like I said, these are my trails. But currently they're underwater. I was gonna do a riding review, but that will come later. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. I'll try to get better. I'm very new at this. Thank you, and yes, this is a 2020 Big Al Ragley. Very good bike.